Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whatever time of the day you are watching this video. My name is Christine, and welcome to my channel where I share tips, advices with regards to stock market, finance, insurance, love, heartbreaks, and anything under the sun. So, yes, welcome back. This is the third part of this four-part video series of how not to get broke in the stock market. So if you haven't watched yet part 1 and part 2, I'll leave the link on the description box and you can also see it here in this video. So for part 1, just to give you a feedback. For part 1, we've discussed the stock market basic, paano ba nagkakaroon ng shares, bakit ba may ganun, and how can you earn through stocks. And for part 2, we've discussed kung ano yung mga, what are the common mistakes, 4 mistakes actually, that new investors make. So now, ready ka na. So alam mo na kung ano yung mga dapat mong iwasan and ang dapat mong gawin. And meron ka ng basic knowledge with regards to stock market. So ngayon, gusto mo na magsimula. So you want to start. So yun yung pag-uusapan natin with this video, account opening. Now, I've also discussed the platforms that I have na pinakita dito in detail with my other videos. So go check it out. I'll also put the link below. So that's about it. Enjoy! Okay, so yan yung common mistakes. So how do you start? Okay. So, dati, ito tayo, yung traditional broker. Ito yung mga brick and mortar investment firms. And ang amount needed to start mo is minimum siya, 1 million. So, ito yung mga pupuntahan mo pa talaga dun sa kumpanya nila. Tapos, meron kang sarili mong broker na, ayan, sila yung magpapalaki, yung magmamanage nung funds mo. Pero ngayon, yan, meron ng tinatawag na online brokers. So, online platforms na sila. So, ang amount needed to start mo lang is minimum 1,000 pesos. And ang kailangan mo lang, syempre, meron kang internet connection. Ayan. So, ang focus natin ngayon is yung COL tsaka yung BDO Nomura. So, sa COL Financial, dati siyang Citysec Online. Ang amount to start niya ngayon is 1,000 pesos na lang. And, ayan, pwede ka nang mag-open ng account, online account opening. So, ayan, yan. Dito sa open an account na to, naka-indicate na dyan kung ano yung mga requirements na kailangan mong ipasa, tapos sasubmit mo lang yun sa kanila online. And then, mag-aantay ka na lang ng response. Nga pala, kailangan din pala dito ng TIN number. So, ayan. Kasi may tax ang stocks. Yan. So, nandito na siya sa open an account. So, punta lang kayo dito sa www.cwlfinancial.com. Okay, tapos kung gusto nyo makita or matry, marami kasing mga online stock brokerage. Pwede yung makita, yan, meron silang free 7-day trial. So, nagva-vary pala yung mga online brokers from 1,000 pesos na amount to start up to 100,000 pesos. May mga ganun eh. Pero itong amount na to, itong 1,000 pesos, ito na rin actually yung pambili ninyo ng stocks. So, what's inside? So, ganito itsura niya. Ayan. So, COL. Grabe naman to. So, yan. So, COL Financial. So, ito, makikita mo siya dito. So, itong account na to is plus, account plus siya. So, meron tong live na ito. May live ticker dito. Pinakamababa niya is yung, nakalimutan ko yung isa, yung standard version niya. Ayan. Kasi itong plus, dapat minimum yung account mo is 25,000. And then, yung isa pa is yung BDO Nomura. Amount to start niya, 0 lang. Ang kailangan mo lang is BDO account holder ka. And yan, online account opening din siya. Mabilis lang. If meron ka ng online BDO online banking, ililink mo lang siya doon. Kasi kung ano yung ginagamit mo doon sa username and password mo, yun na rin yung gagamitin mo eh. Dito sa BDO Nomura account. So, ito yung itsura ng platform niya. So, yeah, may education, research. So, nagbibigay yung mga online brokers, nagbibigay sila ng mga research, yung education materials, and mga tips, ano ba yung magandang bilhin. Ayan, nagbibigay sila ng mga ganon. So, nasa sa inyo na yon kung susundan nyo or not. And mga recommendations, tapos, ano pa ba yung binibigay nila? Mga know-how, stock market investing basics, yung mga terms, yan, ina-explain nila yung mga yun. And madali lang din siya. Ito, fund account siya. So, click mo lang yan and then since nakalink na siya dun sa BDO account mo, mabilis lang din yung pag-fund niya. As in, pag pindot mo, pasa na agad yon. While dito sa COL Financial, kailangan mo ng ibang platform para mag-fund sa kanya. So, BDO, BPI, lahat ng may mga online. Tapos, check nyo na lang. For some of them, it's free yung pag-deposit. For some, may fee. So, 10 to 25 pesos. Ayan. So, ito naman yung itsura niya. Ayan. Cute din nito sa sa BDO na mura. Naka-black lang ito pero pwede yung white. So, makikita mo dito yung mga pinaka active na tinitrade within that day. So, ito yung mga yon. Tapos, magkano yung bid, magkano yung ask. Ayan, ilan yung quantity, ano yung price. Nga pala. Ayan. So, in buying your stocks pala, so kung nakapag-decide na kayo ng anong stock anong company yung bibilhin ninyo, may minimum amount sila or minimum shares na kailangan nyo bilhin. Ito yun. Itong lot or board lot. Ayan. So, yung 10 na yan. 10 shares yung minimum na kailangan yung bilhin if you want to have itong URC or Universal Robina na stock. Okay. Alright. So, ang diniscuss ko lang dito is BDO and COL. As I've mentioned, I've also discussed both of them in detail on my other videos, so better check that out. I put the links on the description box below. Well, ayaw nyo ng BDO, ayaw nyo ng COL, there are also other tons of online platform that you can choose from. Just go to PSE Academy. So sorry for the noise. Ayan, so for my if you haven't watched yet the first and the second part of this video, the links are also on the description box. And please do stay tuned for the part 4, which is the last part of this video series. So again, please do like, subscribe, and share if you find value in this post. Share. I would love to hear your comments, suggestions, and anything that you want me to discuss, to make a video about. So, ayun, I hope naintindihan niyo naman ito. Naintindihan niyo naman yung video. Okay, so that's about it. This is Christine. Have a good day. Live an awesome life. Keep on venturing.